Hey guys, I'm back here at the homestead. Been gone for a few days, spent a couple days down in Texas. I think I've been out of town for about 4 days. Day to fly out there, 2 days at Old Mill Pond out in Lindale, Texas. Talking to Justin from Good to the Land. He put on the event. It was a great event, guys. Got to meet a lot of people. I didn't get a chance to take a lot of video footage because I was kind of helping Justin out with the live feed and taking snapshots of people and putting on Instagram, making sure people had what they needed, if they needed an extension cord, stuff like that. But I had a ton of fun. Got to meet a lot of great people. And Justin he puts on a great event. If you missed this event, it's gonna happen again next year. He's gonna do it every year. So this is the first year. Don't miss the second year. But I've got a lot of stuff going on here at the homestead. I've got to get stuff going. I got projects going that I've got to get back on. So just thought I'd put out a little update, maybe throw in a couple little video clips. I know I've got a clip of the pond, some clips of some of the old farm tractors, old farm equipment. Except for that cub cadet over there. That's a little out of place. Harvesters. Old case tractor, farm all tractors. Man. What else did I get? SV Seeker was there. I'll put in a clip. I actually took a video. He was pouring some molds for something to do with the ship he's making. That's a crazy project. You want to check out a crazy project, go check out SV Seeker on YouTube. Building a 75-foot ship in his front yard. It's incredible. I love that channel.
And the thing they're taking out is called the crucible. And it's about, well, the aluminum melts at 1300 degrees. And we've mixed in zinc with it. And the zinc melts about 800 degrees. So it's a composite metal now. And we're making the mold that they're going to pour it into. It's so hot. The mold we're pouring it into is an anode. And the anode makes this brick. And we don't really care about how pretty it is. Yeah, go ahead. So that's called a lifting shank that they have it in now. And it's got a nice little thing that holds, keeps the crucible from falling out. So what they're going to do is they're going to pour it right up to the top of those two. That's actually where the bolts go through. So instead of machining the bolts into it, we just cast the bolt holes in there. That was coming out better than the one I did. That's enough right there. Hey, pour some into the water. That's just kind of fun. Everybody thinks that you can't mix water and aluminum, and it mixes just fine.
Slowly. You pour it in real fast, you're good.
Yeah, you don't want to catch. If you had water in the mold and you poured aluminum on top of it, the water would turn to steam and flash and blow some of the aluminum back up at you. People call that a mix. Huh? You don't use a napkin to blast it up. Well, I can use my gloves. If you're quick with it, it's fine. That's cool, guys. And now they'll put the crucible back into the furnace because the temperature, we don't want the temperature of the crucible to drop too much, too quickly, because it will, thermal expansion will get to it and it'll crack it. So what they did here is they made a piece of artwork down in there. Oh man, they made tea too. Yeah, that's it. Isn't that beautiful?
Cool. Justin's channel, Good to the Land. Check that channel out if you haven't. I saw Daddy Curbs, Blake Kirby, Doug and Stacy. Doug was there. Chatted with him for a while. So many people. Handyman was there, putting on a little show about solar power and off-grid stuff. So watched a little bit of that. Had a blast, honestly. But it's time to get back to reality here, back on our homestead. I've got a tree fort, a chicken coop, a greenhouse, all kinds of stuff to make. But before I can make it, I've got to drop a bunch of these dead trees around here and mill out some of this old pine. That way I don't have to go and buy my own stuff. It's the whole reason I got my sawmill. So today I'm probably just gonna do a little bit of cleanup, not much to see. Tomorrow I'm gonna get into some dropping trees and milling out some wood. Maybe I'll show you some plans for what I got going on. Anyways guys, just a little update. If you like the channel, flip through some of the videos. Just a homesteading channel. Just got out here, bought the property I think we got on the property in May, and put up a place to live. We got house plans turned in. We got a house going in over there. Got a well, we've got power, and not much more. But we're making it. We're getting it going. Take it easy, guys.